Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee, and in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to combine the contents of multiple cells into one cell. This means you no longer have to manually copy and paste data bit by bit. Let's have a look at the following example dataset: first names, last names and countries. We'll end up having them all written out in one cell, one next to each other, in the rows of column E. First, select a target cell that should contain the final combined contents. Then click on the option FX, which is the insert function. A pop-up window will appear where in the box which says select a category, you will choose all. Search for the function Concatenate and confirm with OK. At this point, Excel will offer you only two boxes at first, text 1 and text 2. Into these boxes you can type the text you want to combine. More boxes are added automatically when you click into the last box. And there is still more, don't worry, Excel will allow you to concatenate up to 255 text boxes. However, for our example, let's enter a first name into the text 1 box. We'll click into the box with text 1 and right away click onto the cell which contains the data we want to use. In our case, cell B3. Now let's say we want to add a space between the first and last name. We'll click into box text 2 and hit the space bar to enter a single space. When we move to the box below, box number 3, Excel will turn the simple space into a double quotation marks with the space located between them. The box with text 3 should contain a last name. So click into the box again and then click on the cell C3, which contains the wanted bit of information. It might be very helpful to check this part over here, as it displays how the concatenated text will look like once it's done. If you need to add a comma after a last name, type in a comma into text 4 box and it will immediately appear in the preview. The same way you can add a hyphen, colon or any character you need. The box text 5 will be filled in with a country. To do this, we'll follow the same steps that you're familiar with now. Once everything we need has been combined, click OK. Bosh! The text has been linked together without tedious copying and pasting or even retyping. In case you need to combine the text in the other rows too, you don't have to write out any function or data again. Just hover with your mouse over the bottom right hand corner of the cell that contains the prepared function and drag it down through all the rows in which you want to use the concatenate function. And here's an important tip before we wrap it all up. Once everything has been concatenated, and when you click on the cell that contains the combined text, you'll see that the cell does not contain the text itself, but the reference to the other cells, as well as the space and commas from the final text, included in quotation marks. Therefore, if you want to change any data in the cell with the concatenated text, you will need to make the changes in the source cells that include the pieces of information. Maybe you're asking now how the concatenated text can be copied for further work into another cell as a simple text. Don't miss out on the next video tutorial with me where you'll learn how. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Watch more videos that help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.